G'day, we're at Belanglo State Forest. My name's Paul.
I'm Chris, this is Open Bar Adventures.
Let's get into it. Yeah, so now we're down here at the Daly's clearing, I think it's called.
We're keeping our social distancing happening. 1.5, 50 people, or 10 with the campers.
All right.
We're ignoring that crap.
Yeah, so anyway, we've just arrived today, set up right here for a couple of days. That's the road in. There's plenty of forestry roads around here, but we'll walk down and have a look at the campsite.
It's a nice distance from Sydney.
Yeah, it only took an hour and a half from the southern part of Sydney, so if you're living out west or whatever,
on the coast, which is Wollongong way, about the same, about an hour.
Yeah, so this is a free camp, and you can camp wherever you want, basically in the state park, as long as you're not tearing up their forest. So there's plenty of places to camp around here. This area here is all bollarded off, so you can see all the bollards around. So this is mainly for tent camping, plenty of fire pits. We've got tables there. Over the back there's a lot of camping over there as well.
There's us.
There's us over there. So there's like a little dam area over there, but we checked that out earlier. It's a bit wet down there, a little bit swampy. So, and I'd imagine there'd be a lot of mosquitoes down through that area too. So. But it's a pretty open area, plenty of places to camp. There's a toilet over here, it's just a drop dunny. There's only one, so I don't know, you get a lot of people down here. And it gets smelly very quickly, I'd imagine. You got the notice board over there, there's a sign, Daly's Clearing, that's what it's called. So you continue on down that way, there's a road that goes all the way down there. And yeah, that just heads off into the forest itself, and there's plenty of little four-wheel drive tracks. The four-wheel drive tracks aren't that hard in here. They're pretty much a beginner's tracks, but it's a bit of fun.
Good for dirt bikes, good for kids.
Yeah, a lot of dirt bikes and mountain bike riders get in here.
So good for backpack.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's the map of it all.
All there, that's where the campground is.
Yep, coming from down
there's
the
the highway, it's only a couple of k's in.
Yeah, so you can all these other fire trails around here, you can go off into these fire trails as well, and that's where these are mainly just forestry roads, but all these other ones are the good fire trail. You can have a bit of a play with your four-wheel drive, so, and the typical rules and regulations, but they're all the same. So yeah, there's I don't really want to go in there, but it's just a one-off drop dunny. I think everybody's seen a drop dunny.
Seen one, you've seen them all.
Yeah, so we've brought our own facilities, if that's what you want to call it. So yeah, it's not a bad spot. There's plenty of wood around too, so you don't have to go too far to find a bit of wood. I don't know if you want to get in with chainsaws and stuff. I don't think they might frown upon chainsaws going, but yeah, but in the state forest you can collect your own wood. So yeah, it's not too bad, and there's our setup over there. We got here and took us about an hour to mucking around, setting up, got the fire going, just had some lunch, which is, oh yeah, 2 o'clock, 2:30, so a bit of a late lunch, but it's okay. But yeah, this place gets packed on the long weekend. Well, I come down for a four-wheel drive with my son, and it was packed. It's bumper to bumper. There was bloody campers everywhere, so this is the week after. This is on a Thursday. So this is it? Yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah, so this is Thursday. So
Thursday after the Queen's long weekend.
Yeah, so we're getting a couple of other people coming in tomorrow night to camp with us. So so we come down a day early to just to set up and get a decent spot, I suppose. Spread ourselves out. Okay, all right. So you can talk to the camera if you want. Have a chat. Yeah, so we've got the basic setup going on, the fire going. We put the gazebo up just in case it starts to rain. Better be prepared than trying to put it up in the rain.
A bin for our empties.
Yeah, so we've both got the same type of camper. Chris has got his awning out. I didn't bother to put my awning out because I'm a bit lazy. We're using all Chris's cooking facilities and his kitchen in his camper this trip. There's no point having two kitchens out, so yeah, so we're using that. Got the beers in the fridge, and yeah, now we just kick them back. It's mid-afternoon, clouds are starting to roll and temperature's starting to drop a little bit, but it should be a good night. So
yes,
should be a very good night.
So at the moment, quiet here. It may change tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll get out, we'll go and show you a few things inside the state park here. Maybe a little bit of forward driving. But yeah, we're going to look at a couple of other little camping spots you can jump into here. Yeah, but this is the main one here. So, yeah.
We'll show you how Belanglo became infamous back in the early 90s. When Ivan Milat decided to make it his little killing ground. Found the bodies of about 7 backpackers down here. And yes.
We brought a rain fire pit this trip as well. You don't need to bring a fire pit, but we're just trying this out. To see if it's worthwhile bringing a fire pit.
I think it's a better idea.
I reckon it's good at the moment because we can pick it up. This fire pit, you can pick up the handle. The handles aren't hot, so you can pick it up, move it around if you want. Plus, you've still got the heat coming from underneath it, so your feet can get a bit of heat as well instead of sitting right on top of a fire, and as you do. It wouldn't be much good doing camp ovens. We're going to do a camp oven that probably Saturday night, so yeah, so it might be much chop putting a camp oven in there, but that's okay. We'll get another fire going somewhere. But for tonight, it's perfect. It's going good, but yeah.
So we're down in the back part of the state forest. It's where the pine tree plantation finishes. Camping and everything up in the background there. And then there's this particular spot just here, which is the memorial for the backpackers that Mr. Milat came down and tortured and buried and killed, should I say, back in the early 90s. Yes, it's a fair way. It's taken us from where we're camping probably about 10-15 minute drive down here at the back. Motorbike tracks there, if you, as you can see, plenty of motorbike tracks, bush tracks to go down. It's the Belanglo fire trail, I think it is, over there. And yeah, it goes down a bit. There's a fair few trails in that around. Camping all up in through there if you wish to. Camping this side here. So yes, plenty of little camping areas around the place. So I'll try and show you a few on the way back out. and trusty fire. Gary the Cauldron. Nice, Gary, nice. Alright, so another successful camp. We're packing up soon. We're going to wait things to dry out a little bit, but it's good. So for next time, we'll see you at the next open bar camping adventure. See you later.